Okay, so now we have a question number 9. This is now the third page of questions from February-March 2019, paper 2, variant 2. Question number 9, y is directly proportional to x minus 4. So this is normally written in the following way. Let me change color now. Y is proportional to x minus 4. Which means y is equal to some constant times x minus 4. Okay, if it said is inversely proportional to, we would say y equals k divided by x minus 4. Because it's directly proportional to, it's k times x minus 4. It says find y in terms of x. Now that's not enough for us to get the marks of this question. We have to find the value of k, which you can do by using these two values of x and y that they gave us. So we know that when x equals 16, okay, y equals 3. Okay, so we can substitute those values. You've got 3 instead of y. You've got k, which we have to find. We've got x, which is 16. And you've got the minus 4. So 3 is equal to k times, now 16 minus 4 is 12. So if you divide both sides by 12, you've got k is equal to 3 over 12, which is 1 over 4. So k is equal to a quarter, so y is equal to a quarter times x minus 4. You can write it as 0.25 if you want. We can leave it as a fraction here. A quarter times x minus 4, and that's the answer to question part 9. Now question 10, they give us a cuboid, and we want to find the total surface area, the area of all the surfaces. Now in a cuboid, you have 6 faces, and 3 pairs of those faces are the same. So you've basically got this 12 times 7.5, one at the front, one at the back. So you've got 12 times 7.5, and you've got 2 of them, right? Then you've got the top and the bottom, and they're both the same. So the top, its dimensions are 12 by 5, and the bottom is also 12 by 5. So you've got 2 times 12 times 5. Okay, and then you've got the 2 sides, and the dimensions of the 2 sides are 5 times 7.5, so you've got 2 of them, so it's 2 times 5 times 7.5, and that, when we find those areas, it will give us a total surface area of this cuboid. So we're going to have 2 times 12 times 7.5, which is 180, okay, and then we've got 2 times 12 times 5. Now 5 12s are 60, and 60 times 2 is 120. And we've got 10 times 7.5, which is 75. So we're going to have 180 plus 120 plus 75, which is 375. So it's 375 square centimeters. Okay, that's the answer to part 10, the area of all the surfaces around this cuboid. Then question number 11, it says the number of passengers on the train increases from 63 to 77. So it starts from 63 and ends at 77. Okay, so it's an increase, it's gone up. And it says calculate the percentage increase. So what you do is you find the difference, which is 77 minus 63, and you always divide by the original. The original is what it started with, which is 63. Okay, if it was a percentage decrease, then the original would be smaller. So the original would be bigger than what it becomes. Okay, so 77 minus 63 over 63 will give us like the fraction. We have to now change that into a percentage. So this is like how the fraction by which it's increased, and we multiply that by 100% to change it into a percentage. So we have 77 minus 63 over 63 times 100%. So you just press times 100, okay, and you leave the percent written there. That's 200 over 9. Okay, so it's 200 over 9%. Okay, which is, if you round that to the nearest, you're going to have 22.2 recurring. So it's 22.222%. Okay, so you can write that as 22.2% to 3SF. Okay, the percent's already written. Or you could write it as 22.2 recurring, or 22 and 2 over 9%. All of those are acceptable. Okay, So there's the end of page number 3, the third page of questions from this paper.